Morning everyone. I'm up at the deer farm in the old Panda. We've had some rubbish weather today. I've brought the supers up that I extracted to put back on top of the hives so the bees can clean them out. And once they're cleaned out, I'll varroa treat. Got some pigeons here on the ground. Catch the pigeon, catch the pigeon. Yeah, I was trying I got a wax melter yesterday, or Friday I think, yeah, yesterday, and I've been trying it out last night, and it melts the wax really well, so I'm going to do a bit of that today. Get these back on the hives, get these supers back on the hives to be cleaned up, and hopefully tomorrow get on some inspections, because I've got to go to the farm and sort some bits out up there. I tried to move a hive this morning and I locked them away, and then it was raining, and then I noticed it's twice now. Rob Random's bees, they're sneaky little shits basically. I lock them in and somehow they figure a way of pushing the wire back out, and then bees were coming and going, so I let them back out for today, so I'll try again tonight. I'll lock them in, but that's the second time they've been sneaky bees. Yeah, these bees ain't gonna be happy on a day like today, but I'm only got to pop the lid off, and then they got the feeder anyway, so I'll put these supers above the feeder, and then hopefully they'll come up through there and clear it out, and then chug it all back downstairs. I don't want to be too long. I think it's very quiet here today for bees. Yeah, very quiet. Everyone's tucked up in bed, and they're not, because I should have done it today. I should have. Oh no, there's bees flying. I should have bought the entrance reducers up to put on all the hives, but I forgot. Yeah, they're quiet. Them ones are busy. So yeah, we'll put all the supers on top, and they can clean them out, and then I need to sort the entrance reducers tomorrow. Hopefully bring this hive up and put it next to well, put it there, put Rob Random's bees on that stand, because they're going in hive on that stand. So, but we need to do inspections and stuff, make sure everyone's all ready and right for winter. Any weak hives or duff queens, we'll have to do a combined, newspaper combined. Yeah, sad when season's over, and then winter time you miss the bees. And in summertime you're cussing the bees because they're so bloody busy. Anyway, onwards and upwards, perhaps. So they're all on, the bees will clean them up. I've got a bee on me trying to kill me. I put, well, there's a lot of wasps up here, so I've just made cardboard entrance reducers in the doors for now. It's pissed them off, but go away. Bloody wasps everywhere. Fuck off, wasp, you dirty little shite. Yeah, look, all round the hives now, look, sniffing. They can smell that fresh honey. The bees will clean all that up. Yeah, it's caused a bit of chaos, but bees ain't happy. They'll probably chew it out, you know. Well, they propolised last year, they propolised the back of them, and then they chew out bits where they want to come and go. But I'll swap it out, because I've got some other stuff that will go in there that they don't chew. So yeah, so less animal comes along and pulls it out, which sometimes happens, it should be alright. But yeah, it's fucking, there's a lot of wasps about, all around the tops of the hives, look. Sniffing all around, trying the doors and all, look. You bees need to fight. Have I put an entrance reducer in that? No, I need to put an entrance reducer in that one. They're aggressive. So yeah, just that one to do. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'll just do that one.